Hello, welcome to HiCAD ShortClip. In this video I would like to present you the new hole pattern on the basis of this simple example. For this I open the hole pattern, and here I can set different parameters such as the pattern coordinate system. I can choose the area, I can define an omitted area, which means that to this area no hole will be applied. I can choose the hole pattern according to norm from a catalog. And furthermore, I can apply free hole pattern and of course the pattern itself, whether they consist of freely or diagonally staggered rows, and depending on the parameter of the hole shapes, further details can be set. I want to apply a pattern coordinate system on the outer ring, which should be punched. I could also make further settings in this dialog or apply the setting with OK. And as you can see, the hole pattern has been applied and it looks like this. We'll have a closer look at the hole pattern later. I would like to mention one more thing, namely that we additionally have a new positional constraint in the HCM function group of the sketch tab. And this would be the equal angle. And with this function, we have the option to direct both angles via one value. If I select the angle and edit it, both indicated angles will be taken into account for editing. Okay, so much for the subject of HCM and sketch. Now I want to come back to the hole pattern. Namely, here I want to apply a pattern coordinate system for this plate, which is located here. I indicate the area, and apart from the other settings which are here, for example applying the offset to 5 mm or changing the hole width or whatever is going to be changed here, we could also set an omitted area. For this we go back to the sketch and we already see that the area, which is part of the closed sketch, is omitted. In other words, it is not punched. Certainly, we can go back to the processing dialog with a double click in the feature log, and we have the option here to make further changes and apply them by clicking OK. So, in the last step, I would like to mention and show one more thing, which is about the textures, which are newly added. I would like to insert a bolting with a thread as the last part. In other words, the thread will be placed in the blue plate. This thread will not be displayed as a transparent sleeve as it used to be. But now the thread is covered with a texture which represents the thread authentically. Of course, this can be edited. That is, so to say, accessible per view, meaning that we could go via the view and then either apply the changes to each view or just the active view. And we see here that the panorama can be mirrored or edited transparently, for that we avoid this texture. Thus we get the view as it used to be. As already mentioned, the editing can be done per view, here including the thread texture. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!